How to remove Google account on Android device. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open settings on your device, scroll down to the end, tap on account and sync. Again scroll down to the end. Over here, you will see the Google option. Tap on it. Then, you will see a list of all the Google accounts that you have added to your device. Single tap on the Google account that you want to remove from your Android device. Then, tap More option available at the bottom. A menu will appear. From this menu, tap on the Remove Account option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about removing the selected Google account from your device. If you are sure about removing the account, tap the Remove Account button and the selected Google account will be removed from your device. And boom! You have successfully learned how to remove a Google account from your Android device. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.